Afrobeat musician Seun Kuti has jetted out of Nigeria a few days after the court granted him bail for assaulting a police officer to kick off his European tour. Seun Kuti, who was supposed to be in Majorca Island, Spain, was unable to attend his concert due to his detention by the police. Media personality VJ Adams has advised Nigerian teenagers to stay put in their parents' house, stating that teenagers are now getting used to the trend of renting houses. He further urged them to stay with their parents till their late 20s to save up some money. Popular Nigerian musical duo P-Square have revealed that they are working on an album after reuniting in 2022. The twins have released 2 songs, Jaye, Iyegeme, and Find Somebody, with their ongoing 100 Cities World Tour. The twins disclosed this in an interview on CNN. Is Seun Kuti the new Bond fella?